What's up, guys? Welcome back to Timber Outdoors, and today I'm in Beaumont, Texas at Gator Country, and there's alligators everywhere. One right there, little guys right here, and then they got Big Al and Big Tex, and gators here, and I'm gonna get in a pool with one of them, so we'll catch you then. Okay, so now we're with Big Tex, and he's the biggest alligator in captivity right now. He's like 14 feet 6 inches or something like that. He's huge. And he's sitting right in front of us. I want this guy right here. Ready? Ready? I'm gonna get this guy. Come here. Eat it. I'm not even moving it away from you. Ooh. Got him. Oh shoot, he's got it. He's got the line.
Yeah. Ooh. Two. Alright, so the way to do this is you're gonna grab onto their back tail. Oh, there you go. And then you're gonna take your other hand, you're gonna slide it up their bellies till you get under their armpits, and you wanna lift them so their head is above their tail. The more their head's high up, they're gonna be calmer. And just remember, these are baby animals, so you don't want to drop them or anything. There you go. Feels so weird. Crazy. Are you gonna do a video?